Hi everybody, and welcome to Survival Dads. So in this video I want to bring you something new, something exciting, and something that I think is really cool and it's going to take the preparedness world by storm. These are products from Modular Survival Systems. Now they come in all shapes and sizes. Here is just a few. And they all perform a different task, and the beauty of the system is you can pick and choose what is suitable for your level of training, the environment you might be going into, and the threats you might be facing. So let's say for example you are taking your dog for a walk. So you're going a normal route, but sometimes the local kids like to smash bottles around the area. Now you don't want to stop taking the dog on this beautiful lovely walk that you normally do, but you want to make sure your dog is safe. So obviously you try and avoid the areas where there might be broken glass, but the worst can always happen. For that situation, you might decide to take a canine first aid kit with you. Now this is a small lightweight pouch, smaller than the palm of my hand, which can easily fit into a coat, jacket or jeans pocket. Now with this you're going to have everything you need to help treat minor to somewhat major injuries for your canine companion. Changing it up a little bit, you may be someone who works in nightclub security, and if that's the case you may decide to pack a hemorrhage control kit. This one is slightly larger. This is designed for use in a bag. So you might put this in your carry bag, which you keep in your car, or around the back and the staff area. On you though, it's always good to have a few items which can be used in an immediate first response role. So in the UK we've had a large number of acid attacks. It's a particularly nasty way of hurting someone, and why someone would want to do this is beyond me, but it is on the rise and it is something which should be taken incredibly seriously. So in that situation you may decide to carry one of these. This is the Acid Attack Initial Response Kit, and it has a number of items in here that you can use as a first responder to not only keep you safe as the first responder, but also to start the treatment for that casualty. So that's an awesome bit of kit which will fit into your pocket. I mean that's tiny. On top of that you may decide to pack a trauma kit. So this is designed for bleeding control. Again, acid attacks, knife attacks. In a security sector these are all too commonplace. So a decent trauma kit like this, an acid attack kit, would be perfect to have in your pocket working security. Moving on a little bit more, you may be someone who commutes into a major city on a daily basis. If that's the case, you may wish to pack one of these. Again, this is one of the larger kits, so this is something which is ideal to go into a laptop bag or messenger bag or the briefcase. Now this is the Urban Disaster Kit, and this is a kit designed to give you the tools to help evacuate yourself from a disaster area, whether that be a tube bombing, massive power cut causing loss of services. It's going to have items in here to help you escape. So along those lines, they also have the biohazard kit. Now this is something I'd also think is a good idea if you are working security. Perhaps you're a police officer or again working nightclub security. Dealing with bodily fluids isn't a nice thing, but it's something which people working in this industry sometimes have to deal with. So the biohazard response kit is quite helpful for that. So the idea of these kits is it's not always doom and gloom, apocalypse, the world is ending scenarios. These are kits designed for really mundane stuff up to the high end, everything's gone wrong situations. So a kit like this will be useful if a pandemic was sweeping a city, or if some drunk loon decided to spit in your face. This has the things you need to help keep yourself safe in that situation. Now, along those lines of not everything being the end of the world, they also do these kits. Let me just grab them. Male and female hygiene. So it could be that your train is delayed and you are stuck in the office. Not good, not a good situation. Everyone likes to be clean. All the toiletries at home. You didn't pack anything because you just go out to work. Well, the male hygiene kit has things, for example, toothbrush and toothpaste, antibacterial wipes, disposable razor, tissue paper, soap, and shaving cream. So be able to look nice and sharp, ready for your date the next day, even if you're stuck in the office. And women, I'm not a woman, but I understand that certain times of the month things happen to a woman, and it can be incredibly uncomfortable and can also cause some quite serious issues if they're not prepared for it and they're possibly stuck somewhere. Again, you could be commuting, you could be stuck somewhere. So the female hygiene kit is similar to the men's kit, but with some vital differences. So it has a toothbrush and toothpaste, antibacterial wipes, tissue paper, shampoo and shower gel, baby wipes, tampons, and sanitary towels. So you're able to stay clean, stay fresh, and able to continue your day. So these kits aren't, like I say, for doom and gloom. These kits are for everyday scenarios, all the way to the big world-ending stuff. And the beauty of these kits is you haven't got to take a full bug-out bag when you're going to work. If you work in a major city, you may decide to take the urban disaster and the hemorrhage control kit if you're worried about, for example, a tube bombing. If you work in the middle of nowhere, out in the Scottish Highlands, you may decide to take a first aid kit. They do a basic first aid kit for boo-boos, that's what you'd call it. And you may decide to take the wilderness survival kit. Again, nice and small, easily fits into a trouser pocket, don't even know it's there. The beauty of these kits is they can be swapped, they can be picked and chosen however you want. You buy them all separately, you haven't got to buy them all. Pick and choose what you need. Modular Survival Systems is going to change the game in a survival preparedness community. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking a look at each individual kit, and they'll all be going in the same playlist. If I take them all apart now, this video is going to be about 7 hours long and no one will watch it. And I want everyone to know how good these kits really are. So what I'll be doing is I will be going through the kits, showing off the dimensions of them, taking them apart, showing you exactly what's inside, and if necessary, demonstrating how that works. So stick around, check out the playlist which these are going to be in, which is going to be called the Modular Survival playlist. Check out Modular Survival. I'll put all the links in the description below as always. And stay safe, pick and choose what you need, and survive. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.